dear student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Okay, so dear student, I QA Singh and I welcome you all in a maths online class. So what I have taught you in the previous class about the unit 5, that is division. Okay, unit 5 division. Okay, unit 5 is division. Okay, I have discussed about this topic. Now take out your book, your maths book and your notebook. Okay, and also check out your stationery box. Check out page number 5A. Yesterday I have given you the picture of problem set 5A to do it in your notebook. Okay, I hope you all have done that. Okay student, so come to the problem set 5B. Okay, problem set 5B. Now one thing is there, what is division? Division is a repeated subtraction. Okay, division क्या है? It is a repeated subtraction. Now see, suppose you know 4 into 5 is equals to 20. Means 4 5s are 20. Okay, so it gives rise to two division fact. It is a multiplication. Okay, it is a multiplication and it gives rise to two division fact. Okay, let's see. Division fact. Okay, it gives rise to two division fact. So that is what we can also write. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 20 divided by 5 is equals to 4. Means 5 के टेबल में 20 कितने टाइम्स में आते हैं? 4 टाइम्स. ओके, नाउ यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट 20 डिवाइडेड बाई 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 5. ओके, मीन्स 20 के टेबल में 4 कितने टाइम्स में आते हैं? 5 टाइम्स. सो दीज आर division fact. Okay, it is a division fact and division is a reverse process of multiplication. Means division जो है वो क्या है? It is a reverse process of multiplication. ये multiplication है, इसका मैंने reverse कर दिया. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया division fact. Means division is a reverse process of multiplication. Got it? Now come. Now see, each multiplication fact give rise to two division fact. जो multiplication fact होती है ये, this is multiplication fact. Multiplication fact. Okay, it is a multiplication fact. Okay, and it give rise to two division fact. एक multiplication fact जो होता है वो two division facts बनाते हैं. Okay student, now number 1 you have seen this and number 2 is this. Okay, so like this only you have to solve problem set 5B. Okay, like this. Now come to problem set 5B. Got it everyone? Multiplication fact and division fact. Okay, now see page number 65. Okay, page number 65. Write to page number 65 problem 5B. Problem set 5B. Okay, now see, number 1, write two division fact for each of the following multiplication fact in given spaces. Okay, what we have to write here? Number 1, write 2 write 2 division fact. Write 2 division facts. ओके, आपको 2 क्या लिखना है? डिवीजन फैक्ट लिखने हैं. ओके, नाउ सी नंबर ए, 6 into 5 is equals to 30. Means 6 5s are 30. Number B, 5 into 3 is equals to 15. Okay. Number C, 7 into 8 is equals to 56. Number D, 12 into 9 is equals to 108. You have to see on the whiteboard, everyone. Okay, now see कि these are multiplication fact and you have to change into 2 division fact. Okay, so you can write this as 30 divided by 5 is equals to 6. Means 30 को जब आप 5 से डिवाइड करोगे तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 6 आएगा. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो 30 divided by 6 is equals to 5. अगर आप 30 को 6 से डिवाइड करते हो तब भी आंसर क्या आएगा? 5 आएगा. ओके, मीन्स 6 के टेबल में 30 कितने टाइम्स में आते हैं? 5 टाइम्स. एंड 5 के टेबल में 30 कितने टाइम्स में आते हैं? 6 टाइम. सो बोथ आई हैव रिटन हियर. सी 30 divided by 5 equals to 6 and 30 divided by 6 equals to 5. ये दोनों को मैंने चेंज करके लिख दिया. सो आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? ओके, नाउ सी नंबर 2, बी, 15 divided by 3 is equals to 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5. Okay, and also 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. Okay, both the way I have written here. Now here 56 divided by 8 is equals to 7 and also 56 divided by 7 is equals to 8. Okay student, now here 108 divided by 9 is equals to 12 and also 108 divided by 12 is equals to 9. So these are the division fact of multiplication fact. So write down in your book and also you have to write down it in your notebook. Okay students, so I am giving you time, do it. Write down. Okay, I hope you all have done. Now come to question number 2. Okay. Question number 2. Now here you have written the division fact, 2 division fact, and in question number 2 what you have to do, you have to write the multiplication fact. Okay, only one multiplication fact होगा, क्योंकि कोई भी division fact अगर होगा तो आप सिर्फ only you can write only one division fact here. Okay, so see question number 2. Write multiplication fact. ओके, आपको यहाँ मल्टीप्लीकेशन फैक्ट लिखना है. नंबर ए 81 डिवाइडेड बाय 9 इज इक्वल्स टू 9. ओके, बी 77 divided by 7 is equals to 11. Number C 48 divided by 8 is equals to 6. Number D 40 divided by 2 is equals to 20. Number E 36 divided by 9 is equals to 4. Okay, so here you have to change this division fact into a multiplication fact. So what you are going to write down here, 9 into 9 is equals to 81. What is 9 into 9 is equals to 81. Okay, now 11 into 7 is equals to 77. Okay, 11 into 7 is equals to 77. Now 6 into 8 is equals to 48. See here, 6 into 8 is equals to 48. Okay student, now 20 into 2 is equals to 40. 20 into 2 equals to 40. Then 4 into 9 is equals to 36. Okay, 4 9s are 36. So these are the multiplication fact. So write down in your notebook. Okay, got it? So do it in your book. I hope you all have done. Now come to question number 3. Fill in the box. Now question number 3. Fill in the box a number so that each of the following statement becomes true. Okay. Now see number 3, A. Okay, fill in the box you have to do. 50 divided circle 10. B. 16 divided circle 4. C. Circle divided 4, 6. D. Circle divided 8, 7. E. Circle divided 5, 8. Okay. Now see here, 50 dash is equals to 10. So means आपको करना है कि 10 के टेबल में 50 कितने टाइम्स में आता है. तो 10 के टेबल में 50 5 टाइम्स में आता है. तो यू हैव रिटन 5 और 50 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 10. बोथ आंसर्स आर, आप उसको बस कन्वर्ट कर दिए. ठीक है. नाउ सी 16 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. 16 को 4 से डिवाइड करिए तो आंसर क्या आएगा. 16 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 आंसर विल बी 4. नॉट डैश डिवाइडेड बाय 4 इक्वल्स टू 6. तो यहाँ पे आपका डैश है तो इन दोनों को आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 4 6 24. नौ इन दोनों को आपको मल्टीप्लाई करनी है तो 8 7 56. 5 8 40. So like this you have to fill problem set 3 in your book as well in your copy. And your homework, do problem 5B in your notebook. Okay. See on the blackboard, whiteboard student. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this. So till then, keep studying, okay? And I will meet you again in the next class tomorrow, okay? Bye. Stay home, stay safe.